The Asokore-Mampong Magistrates Court has issued a warrant for the arrest of 61 persons suspected to be involved in last week's violence on the campus of the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. This comes after 2 people arrested in connection with the incident were denied bail by the court. The suspects are currently in police custody. Nanaya Ojima has more in the following report.
Last Thursday's rioting on KNUST campus is believed to have instigated after students of Unity Hall attempted to restrain colleagues from the University Hall from using their frontage in a procession. Speaking on Love in the Morning, Pro-Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Ellis Owusu-Dabo, said perpetrators will be surcharged in the repair of damaged vehicles, while complicit alumni will have their certificates revoked.
The Vice Chancellor has already met all those whose vehicles were involved in the council chamber. She has shared her desire to get the money.
The 2 suspects put before court include a past student of KNUST, Daniel Oseibonsu, 25 years, who is a mechanical engineer, and Francis Tutu Etuahene, a second-year student. They were charged with conspiracy to commit crime, routing with offensive weapons, causing unlawful damage and causing unlawful harm. Counsels for the 2, William Asamoah Sapon and Yao Abebio, pleaded for their clients to be granted bail, but they were denied.
I'm highly disappointed. Highly disappointed. When you look at the facts, it doesn't support the charge. You see, it does not support the charge. So that is why we drew the judge's attention to it. I still say that it's a public interest. So we should exercise restraint for the police to go ahead and do their further investigation. We think that the judge was not fair to them, but we will take it and we will advise ourselves and see the next line of action.
This is an alleged offense, and then until he's proven guilty, he's deemed to be innocent. And then if by the time his innocence is proven, they are done with the exam, that would have been an irreparable damage caused to the education of the accused person. As I said, he's not a flight risk, he's in school. He remained in school even after the incident. He was just invited to by the police yesterday, and that was when he submitted himself and then subsequently was arrested. So it's quite surprising that for his case, he was refused bail.
The court's decision to refuse the bail was premised on rivalry among the students' body, damage caused and injuries. Their safety could therefore not be guaranteed. The court believes the police also acted in the confines of the law by presenting the suspects within 48 hours after their arrest. ACP Kofi Blagoji is head of legal and prosecution at the Ashanti Regional Police Command.
Within 48 hours, if you arrest accused persons, you have to produce them before the law court. And this is exactly what the police did. The lawyers for the accused persons came and applied for the bail. And then we also argue in our submissions that we needed accused persons to assist in investigations. And then the court heard us, and then they remanded accused persons.
11 other suspects who are at large have been identified by their nicknames. Together with 50 others, the police secured a warrant for their arrest.
We paid the court for a bench warrant, and then the court issued a bench warrant for the arrest of the other accused persons. So the police will look for them to get them arrested and then produce them before the courts.
The 2 were remanded to police custody to reappear on September 8th. For Joy News, Nanaya Ojima, Kumasi.